partner came to work in the city of Lagos. Ah, it's so clear. From the smelling city. What's wrong with you now? Don't insult my city. Hey guys, we're working 10,000 steps. Anyway guys, this is my feet. I did not do get ready with me in the house because I was in a hurry to come to the studio, and guess who is wasting my time? I mean, money is important.
You understand? So if I can do that, I can float. I have writers. I have.
Obviously, this is me in the studio wearing the leggings. A studio girly. It's a lie, yo. This is like. So I took voiceover academy course in 2019. Yeah, I think 2019. And guys, guess who did not follow through with her career in voiceover? And I was just in my house and a job came to meet me. Isn't God wonderful? God is definitely telling me something. So let's get it. The thing about voiceover is over time, if you don't do it, it leaves you. So it was a lot. It took me 10 minutes to get a 30-second script. It was that difficult. I was struggling so bad, but Edward was really kind to me. You see, he was telling me what to do later in footage. But yeah, so I haven't been given the go ahead to post the actual video, but when I do, it will actually be on IG. So please guys, follow me there.
Yeah. What I love, this time around you were not reading. I love how you say I love how you read man like with. So I imagine you doing your hand like this. With just, do you understand? So I need you to project more.
Project, okay, yeah. I think I have project talking out.
Little smile. You know where to smile in the script with just the spring.
One eternity later.
So this future event is one event I am really proud of. The convener reached out to me and wanted me to join in the planning and the organization, and I recently started taking project management courses and yeah, the planning, the registration, everything, to the ideation, to going to the venue and all of that. I'm so sad that I did not take like proper coverage, but I just wanted you to see how it turned out. I'm so proud of myself. Nigeria, farming is the way. My mother decided to plant which one? Potato. Mommy, sweet potato Irish. Sweet potato. She has a lot of veggies. It's so cute. Let's go for a little mini farm tour in my mother's house. I am here. It's so cute. You guys, she has water leaf. This is the water leaf. by the side of the house. You want to stand the house too. The cage is empty. This is what's this one? I think it's tomatoes. Tomatoes and pepper. She has catfish too, so you can make proper food. Let me show you guys the other one. See pineapple. And mommy, no be ugu be this.
Yes.
Ugu is mixed with the flour, some aloe vera for your natural hair. Oopsie, you guys see. And then sugar cane. This woman has turned this house to farm. She likes to farm and rear animals as well. Let me go and show you her catfish and this thing. Is at the back of the house. This is the back of the house. We have banana here. I think in front there was plantain. So this one has banana. See you. It's so ripe. Oh my god. See you. You guys, my mother is living in this T-pain era. Nigerians understand what T-pain. Oh, this pond is empty actually. See this is what's it called, lime? I think it's lime tree. And then this is a big pond. This is pawpaw. Hey, oh, I think it's empty too. Oh yes, there is. Gigi, it's empty. Oh, this one has not gotten fish. What to see? It's so big. See, catfish. Only one. Oh. Mommy, what's happen? No be one. How many days? They did die, ba?
They did inside pot.
Try. You did inside pot? But this one are the big one now.
How many days?
The only one are the 6 years. Only this one.
Water don't date.
Okay, now why? How many days are this? I'm going to become this one. Why this in plain slide? Wait with this.
This one.
Oh, blood of Jesus, have you? It's in the blood of Jesus. This one they empty. I said Pepper. And then this our coconut is so sweet, guys. They have the best coconut ever. I'll show you a minute of my mother's house. Lime in our compound. My sister is being like a village girl. Yeah, I'm going to fall asleep. Wait, I'll show you this thing now. Hey, see these ones? They don't take. The lime. This is moringa tree. Before moringa started raving and we eat moringa. It's our traditional food. That's how I know it. We make it with what's it called, granite. So we've always had this sweet before moringa started raving and started eating moringa. I've forgotten. We have more. My mother is putting sugar that we eat. This is more. This leaf is like spinach. Is that good? There is more lime tree here. See? And yeah, I'm taking you touring my mother's house. She has like everything to eat. More sugar cane. Got sugar cane for us. Mommy, now we go chop. Eh? Mado. So yeah, guys. Hope you enjoyed the mini garden tour. When next I come, she said she wants to plant more things, so I'll show you guys. Don't worry. Yes, now. So this is she's eating my mother's harvest of sugarcane. You guys can see. Say hi to the camera. Is it sweet?
Very sweet.
Our coconut. Can you talk about our coconut for a bit? Our coconut.
It was exceptional. That's all I can say.
So nice. Good. Actually, very nice. Hey guys, see plantain. Oh. Mommy, have fun now. Give us plantain now. As they go, make carry. We not see plantain.
You never reach.
Now only this one don't come out.
I won't come.
Plenty. Then what's it? Mad for where? Shit, wicked people. Who be that? Can you imagine? My lie.
Give me job.
Horrible. Oh, it's funny to you guys. For me, why did I just say? Oh, do man. Oh, do man. See where you did it. I hear the camera.
Where are you? You can come for time.
Fine woman. I'm vlogging. Now me. No worries. Now front camera, I'll be back.
And you never really say what you wanted from me, baby, but I know what you want.
You really telling me it's coming up.
You want.
Bye guys.
No, I won't let you go.
What do you